here's a quick view of the setup to help anybody installing this kit later. It's a 4-inch pulley on here, you know, so this is what everything looks like all assembled. This is actually a custom steel bracket I fabricated out of some, it's like 3/8 steel or something like that, because just to give it a little bit more rigidity. I would notice that the supercharger, when you revved it, it had a little bit of bounce to it, a little flex. You know, these aluminum plates do pretty good, but that steel kind of backed them up a little bit. So anyway, otherwise, everything's pretty self-explanatory. Probably the hardest part, you know, is taking the front clip off to get your intercooler up in there. But that's, again, not very hard either. All pretty easy bolt-on stuff here.